Hi, today we will see how material instances are made. In the last video, we have seen various kind of materials. We have seen four different nodes, and we can make white colored material, blue colored material, metallic, non-metallic materials, and let us try to create one more time. So let us suppose here we have created one orange color material with metallic luster with zero roughness, and we are trying to change the color. So you select the color and make it okay and then save it. Now we will see that it takes a lot of time in the sense the system does all the calculation and then the output is made. We can do the same on a faster manner where the system requires less of calculation. So right click the material. On the top you will see create material instances. So what you get exactly is the copy of your parent material, and you will have all the properties in the parent material. However, here you can see that there are a lot of parameters being added like base color, roughness, metallic, and all those. And okay, so we are doing the changes again and we are trying to see how much at a time it takes, and whatever the changes we do in the material, it will reflect, I mean the base material, it will reflect on the instances. Now if you open the instance, you will see hardly there is anything, whatever we had, the base color, roughness, metallic or specular, although there are some other parameter. We will discuss that in the later stage videos. So let us understand how we can incorporate that base color, whatever you can see in this expressions, how we can get into that. To do so, we have to convert these into parameters. So right click and convert it into parameter. Name it. So you can name it like base color, and there you can see the name. Like convert the others, so you can write it as possibly specular or sometimes as the metallic, and the other one as the roughness. So let us change all of them, and this goes for roughness. Okay, so now we have converted all of these into parameters. Why we are changing in the parameters? We can control all of these at the later stage, and during the game also you can change, you can control these parameters and save it. So system will take its own time. Now let us see whether it is reflecting. You can see that base color, roughness, metallic, specular all are reflecting here, and you can directly control. The best part is whatever the changes you do in this instances, it will not reflect on the base material. It will only reflect on the material where the instances are made. Okay, so just rearrange the windows again so that it is visible properly. Okay, this side you can do this. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to select all of these so that we can change. Now let us change the color, maybe from green we can make it to a sort of purple color, and you want to change it to green. You can see instantly there is a change, not just in the preview but also in the real world. It is changing. You can see the changes which is reflecting on the other side. So we have changed the color. We want to do some changes in the roughness part of it. So it was 0, we have made it 1. You can see the instant, uh, but one thing is noticeable, that on the base material it is not changing. Same you can do experiment with the other colors. There is an instant change, there is no waiting time, there is no system, no calculation at all. So converting it into metal, so here we are. uh, what you can do is you can create all these instances, as many as you want, and these are not very costly in the sense that they'll take less time and system. So we are trying to convert all different colors, and these colors or these parameters can be controlled uh, outside the material also, without affecting any of the master material. So you can create another one instances, and you name it, say whatever, and there is a same. However, what you can do, you can try with the different parameters, like instead of green color you can change this color to anything whatever you feel like. For that, you can break that up into RGB also, and you can see you apply this on any mesh. You can see none of the materials are affected, all are independently performing. Just readjusting the window so that the changes are visible. Okay, so my suggestion for this video and for all the videos, that whenever you want to do any change in the material, try to do with the instances. It saves time.